friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. This is your first visit to my channel. Check out my playlist. It is truly a mixed bag of whatever I find interesting to share. This week I'm bringing you something a little different. I mentioned one other time on my channel that this spring we're preparing to do a complete gut job kitchen renovation. I'm going to take you along and show you that process and the end result. But in the meantime, an international curtain company reached out and asked if I would showcase some of their curtains. Well, I knew I was having this renovation, but there was no way I would have the kitchen done before they wanted me to showcase them. So I said, sure, go ahead and send them to me and I will show my audience your curtains. Well, I went to their website. The company is called Freshine. Beautiful stuff, beautiful fabrics, beautiful colors, and it's all custom. Very reasonable prices. Now they had curtains of different lengths and styles, and they also had Roman shades. And I love the look of the Roman shades, so that's what I went with. We emailed back and forth a few times. They even emailed back to avoid any miscommunication. So I'm really hoping everything fits beautifully, and I'm sure it will. The curtains arrived today, and I can tell they went through customs because some of the boxes are cut open. I guess just to verify that's what is in the boxes. But I'm going to be an open and honest unboxing with you to show you exactly what they look like straight out of the box. I don't know if I'm going to have to steam them or press them or whatever. I'm going to show you my windows before. We're going to do an unboxing. I'll show you the installation process and then the installed curtains. All right, we are standing in my kitchen now, and I have a long rectangle galley kitchen, and I'm having to stand up under this light so that my camera will detect the light. If I back up any, it just goes black. I have wooden blinds on both windows, and up at the top I have just some black buffalo plaid valances and wooden curtain rods. All right, above my sink area right here, I've got just a window. It used to have mini blinds, but it looks into the garage. Didn't like the look of mini blinds, and so I just took them down just to give extra light when the garage door is open. All that hardware is coming down, and I will have a fitted Roman shade inside this window. This is a little laundry room right here that's going to end up being part of the kitchen on the renovation, and all of our doors are stained wood. I'm going to shut this door and show you what one of the problems is with these wood mini blinds. They have a little connector here down at the bottom. Half the time it pops out, and I want you to look at the damage that these wood mini blinds have done to this stained door. And then I also have another back door right here that's just like the garage door. So I'm going to have one double window, two doors, and this kitchen sink window with Roman shades. They came in the super long package right here. This main box was already cut open, so I just lifted it off, and then the inside box was cut open as well. But it looks like either they may have taped the box back. So let me get all this untaped and unboxed and show you what they look like. Let me just tell you, these things are packed very well. And one of the boxes had all my hardware in there. So this is my big double window. This will be my kitchen sink window. Two little smaller ones here are my door ones. I just took the bubble wrap off, and here is their company name, 2 bands on each side. It's just some paper bands. And I'll put the color that I ordered on the screen. I can tell already that just by the way they are packaged that there will be no prep on my part as far as pressing or steaming them or anything like that. Since I had not picked out my cabinets and kitchen colors, I just played it safe with this off-white linen color. Absolutely beautiful, timeless, will go with anything I choose. Hey everybody, it's the next day. Got hubby in a good mood, and I'm so excited because he's going to install my Roman shades today. Before we start, I wanted to share with you a little bit about this company that I'm working with, and just kind of rest assured that this is a totally legit company. Of course, I wouldn't bring you something that was fly by night, but they do have a wonderful website, and I know it may be a little concerning doing something custom strictly online. Their goal is to provide you with the high quality custom curtains. Online is just the sign of the times. Freshine has created their website to make this process as simple as it can be. I'm going to give you a few shots of their website just to show you how easy it is. They do more than just the Roman shades. They do all kinds of panel curtains, they do sheers, and they do even do roller shades if that fits your decor or what you're looking for. When you go to the website, website, you can click on their options and it'll give you like different fabrics like linen, velvet, cotton, polyester, and then you can click on function. Do you want them to be sheer, semi-sheer, room darkening? Because not every curtain works in every room. What you put in a children's room may not work for a dining room. So with all that in mind, they also have a 24-hour chat service where you can ask questions and concerns regarding their products. They have a measuring tool on there that shows you pictures step by step where and how to measure to get the look that you want. Now they do have free shipping if it's over $300. That's pretty standard. And they have an incredible delivery time with this being custom curtains. It takes them about 10 days to process your curtains and then another week to get them mailed to you. You should get your curtains within 3 weeks. I mean, that is amazing for custom curtains. They offer free fabric swatches with purchase. So if you do end up ordering from them, you will be reimbursed. And that's very standard practice. I'm going to put the link to their website and social media down below so you can look at some more pictures of some of their products. I'm going to put my discount code. I haven't mentioned that. They were gracious enough to let me have a discount code. Be sure and use that. To be honest, I was so pleasantly surprised. I didn't know what to expect. They are beautiful, straight out of the box, and can't wait to get them hung up. I'm going to go round up hubby and put him to work. The first step I did was find the center of the top of my door and put a little mark. The second step is I found the center on the back of the shade and put a little mark. The next step, I'm going to attach the brackets to the top of the door, make sure the white part is at the top, and I'm going to take a couple screws and screw in each bracket at the top. All right, no one will ever see this up at the top, but I just want to show you what the brackets look like clicked into the top of the shade. All right, we're getting ready to install the double window Roman shade. Now, I haven't taken down the old hardware yet, but I just want to show you a little bit of a difference. This Roman shade is considered embedded. It's going to fit inside our door frame, but I'm going to screw in the little bracket just like the door, with the little white springy part showing just like that. We're going to screw it in just like that and then clip it into the Roman shade just like the door. Hey everybody, I just want to come on here one last time just to share with you my final thoughts on these Roman shades. I absolutely love the quality. The fit is perfect. The installation was super easy. It definitely softened and elevated my windows and got rid of that farmhouse look. And I'll be showcasing these Roman shades again in a couple months when my kitchen is done. But be sure and check out the links below of their website, my discount code, and any information you may have regarding these custom curtains and shades. So I hope you enjoy seeing the before and afters of my kitchen windows. I'll be back real soon. Bye-bye.